Have you ever wondered why some people seem financially secure while others struggle with debt? The answer lies in financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage your money effectively. It encompasses budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding loans and credit. Without financial literacy, individuals may fall into debt traps and make poor financial decisions. Studies show that 60% of people lack enough savings for emergencies. Many retirees face insufficient funds due to inadequate financial planning. Consider two individuals, one budgets and saves, while the other overspends and uses credit. Over time, their financial situations diverge significantly. Common mistakes stem from poor financial literacy, leading to struggles. Many spend beyond their means or neglect emergency savings. Misusing credit cards and ignoring retirement savings are prevalent mistakes. A real-life example is the credit card trap with enticing promotional offers. 0% interest for 6 months sounds appealing, but high rates follow. If the balance isn't paid off, debt can escalate quickly. Understanding these pitfalls is crucial for financial stability. Consider documenting your monthly expenses to see where your money goes.